gonna show you the T30 Pro with the 55 watt power. Oh my gosh, 55 power. And I'm gonna show you inside the specification and quality. Come here. So well guys, Toby is all LED with the high quality compass. So well, it's high quality heat sink, CSP LED light, super power fan. So well viewers, it's time to test this LED. Let's go to test in the tester. So well guys, this is the high quality power, 55 watt, you can see here, and 6000 plus lumens. So well guys, you can see this is a very bright light. So well guys, thank you so much for watching our video. This is T30 Pro with a high quality 55 watt original power. If you want to make order, visit our their outlets, Dragon Mart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. So well guys, Toby's always get first opportunity to bring high quality LED in the market. So guys, subscribe our channel and stay with us. See you!